Hola bafethu kunjani? Nto zabantu on the screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu nani niyazi, angihambi ngedwa. Ngihamba no?
Shapa fethu kunjani cameraman team focus well Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
Yabonga bafethu. On today's episode sibuka iBafana Bafana against Panama. Kahle kahle nje, I would say this international week yeBafana.
Yeah.
What we'll be looking at. Firstly, let's start on squad seBafana. Ngifuna siqale from the goalkeeping department, sidlule kanjalo kanjalo. Ake sithi nje goalkeeping department. Kunama major changes lapha. Ngifuna ukuzwa ngawe.
No man, I don't know man, but we still have we have two familiar faces there, and we have one new face which is joining the Bafana camp. We can see Sipho Shine has been dropped, but I really cannot tell why, because for some reason I thought he was injured. Then after the squad was announced, then he went to play when Benjamin 6 knots, so you can tell it's okay. His right, his feet, he's keeping another clean sheet. But because we're preparing for the World Cup, maybe he's trying to give Ulena was Kukun. Maybe he's trying to give him experience to being part of the camp. But
I don't understand.
I don't know. It's like I don't see the need of including him. I'm not saying he's bad, but you always said your three keepers and all of them they've been performing good. So I don't understand the need of dropping number 2.
Goalkeeper of the season.
Yes.
Already has 15 clean sheets this season.
Yeah.
Which means that he's continuing from where he left off last season.
Yeah.
And you are dropping him to experiment something new.
While you're preparing for your World Cup.
Yes, for a bigger tournament. Don't you need this experience?
Exactly. So that's questionable. But he makes this decision that I will never understand sometimes. Why there was no need for me to actually change Usipho and put Ulena. But to speak something, it defends a pirate. I could as much as Mbogazi, but it's not even worse. So Usipho Shine in most cases you could tell with his protected clean sheet.
I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that. Usipho Shine in each and every game. Corner a big save.
Okay, correct. Ulena on the other side, the boys are not solid. Is considered. Is considering
You can't.
He makes
falter when it's like you are faltering the quality as Kukune to justify your point.
No, listen. I started by saying I don't understand why I'm keeping you sleep. But I'm champagne, that's why he thinks like but honestly there's no need. There's no need to actually keep sleep.
Yeah, but tell us in the but I believe ukuthi akakholelwa nje kuye. To start off with, akakholelwa kuSipho and period.
Yeah.
You will tell me I'll bring evidence if you want to. But siyivale lapho. Moving on to defense. Sibona bosibisi lapha kade usho manje uthi yes yona ayikho as solid as kukhona uMbokazi defense, but khona bosibisi lapha, and we always come here, we don't really criticize him, but we just want him to raise his hand and say that you are a captain, you are a leader, you are a senior player, show us that.
Okay, so Usbisi is complaining. I'd like to make an example of some of the things, right? Ngizophuma squad ngikubekisela about Kaizer Chiefs for a moment, just a few minutes. Kaizer Chiefs, uMikel abantu bebamkhuluma bad, Mikel mistakes, what. Mikel came back from injury. Since abuyile, Chiefs is kept 2 clean sheets. So you can't falter leadership skills on the pitch, So what I'm saying is, as much as it's born, no, Mikel is the same type of player. If it's either bazomdlula boko okanye he will commit a foul. So it's obvious we want him to do better, but leadership skills, even whether he's playing or not, whether he's on the bench, but we know he's a captain of the Pirates. So those leadership skills are needed to be Bafana.
So even we off the field.
Off the field, even though Master Pension, we need him there. You know, those type of things.
So it's understandable.
Yeah.
Kunabadlali abafana nabo Ima Ocon. Not sure if you have given yourself time to look at him, but into engayisho, I think he's left-footed. Undamane is left-footed. Boaz is left-footed. So I'm really worried about not having a defender Apalatisa this.
Yeah.
Because they are, don't get me wrong, they are very good defenders, but it looks like there are a lot of left-footed centre backs.
Yeah, I just overcrowded one position,
yes.
you know. But let's hope Mdala have a plan to, because Mdala is over convert, actually set up back. We don't know.
Like Umbogazi covering that.
Yeah.
So especially Befara, the next person to talk about, Kabini, we are happy. He needs to prove himself.
Honestly, for me, Okabeni, good team scholars, he was a good player, you know. But ever since he's been called to Bafana, for me, I felt like he's one of our weakest link. In that he has been given game time, but he haven't proved himself that I deserve to be here and I wanna be here. He doesn't raise his hand fully. For me, so that's questionable, you know. But because we're not watching in Norway league, how is he doing? You know, what is the coach saying? You know, exactly. But what we've seen about Bafana, he was combo. I wanna be here. I wanna represent the nation. Is our weakest link in all the games I've watched.
Yeah, you know, that's true. Moving on to the midfield. Midfield here too.
I think we have a new face, Adams.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, a well-deserved one.
Well-deserved one. Yeah. I think in the squad is one of the players. I think it's well-deserved. We've seen him, especially after cutting his hair. We've seen the attitude change. It's like a new person. And now I'm at decision now you can tell who's
the team plays for now.
Yes, you know, so we key player even sometimes currently for me. You know, it's one of the key players. So seeing him in Bafana colors for me, it's exciting and it's a well-deserved one.
Maybe Ogunye we need to invest more time as South Africans, not only us. As South Africans to watch these players because I also want to see where I as it all. Because if you remember, we AFCON for me during AFCON. He was even changed in some of the games. It didn't start.
And it's back again.
It's back again. The reason why because Umdala would prefer over Umbat, whom we know very well Tinala at home.
We watch him within
exactly. You know? So things like that. Maybe we need to also teach ourselves. Let's watch this game so that no matter our games are money, but let's watch them so that we actually see why a choose alone.
Yeah, but also let's not take away quality of Story. We know he's a quality player. It's just that for me, go AFCON, I think he Watalaga could injured or something. Then when he came go AFCON, I don't think he was on a good form. So as much as we are saying we need to watch this game, so as much as he's called back again, I believe he's back on his form.
The reason why is because you would call it's like if I were to compare strikers because there will be a good example. Orainas came back, he has been scoring goals for Sundown, right? And let's say Umdala called him and he started him. We have evidence that Orainas actually scores goals.
Yes.
He actually delivers to say that I forced Ngama, but asinayo evidence enjalo with the midfield to say that kahle he's been performing la ekhona.
No, I agree.
To start over, I'm not saying Umbiza is a problem, but ukuthi start over the players that we know perform week in week out in South Africa.
Exactly. You say now you are correct. Yes. That is where your point comes into say as South Africans or as football lovers, we need to invest a little bit of time to watch these boys, where they play, how they do. Because you're seeing right now, we are all putting eyes on Bogas, Noma Adala, the
Mm.
MLSL. So all of us are aware of how is he doing that side, you know.
Exactly.
But with the other players, it's difficult to say. Like Yokabini, we don't know how he's
We
doing.
don't know.
But we only know Bogas. We've seen a lot of him, you know. So yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Parum Tala obvious maybe is watching,
Yes.
you know.
Yeah. Moving on to, I think the other ones are obvious.
Whatever.
They go without a say. Let's go to the forwards. Corner point that you raised before. Okay, maybe let's firstly deal with the new ones, which is U Hlongwane. Hlongwane. Uh, it's a surprise because we don't watch this game.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Hlongwane. Again, it's the same thing we were talking about.
Yes.
In the Bayoguti, we don't watch this game, so we don't really see Uguti.
Why is he called?
Why is he called? Because Hlongwane Vele is not been part of Ibafan.
Yes. The same thing with she. Us who are watching South African football, we still believe Rangers could have been part of it.
Exactly.
Because it's Yambo and Sundowns scoring goals week in, week out, you know.
True.
And then there's a Hlongwane that we don't even know how many goals he has. What's his impact, you know?
Yes.
And we're preparing for the World Cup, so is it the right time to gel him with the other players? We don't know. Only Hugo can tell us. Maybe we will see it on the pitch when they play. But for now, let's give it a benefit of the doubt, just believe the coach and support the boys.
Yeah. True. But I wanted to touch on something.
Yeah.
There's something that you talked about off air. Talked about why you coach Gadalisi u10. Sibheke kuzwane. But we see Uzwane, one is aging, two, he's got injuries that affect him. We might even see him going on injury, hoping that he doesn't go on injury. As angafiki na World Cup, this one and we don't see he life beyond the World Cup now.
Yeah, obviously, maybe it's his last World Cup. Obviously, exactly. If he's not injured, Nakon,
you know,
so
why coach engafaki?
It's a question of
because he is proving week in week out that he's.
It's a question of race because that guy, it's more like he's in a free role. He gets to be creative. He makes everybody play. You know, so why Bafana we're not doing the same? Because I get it's a transition. And I go to Uzwane if it's not there, we must have a backup. So right now it's like we don't have a backup because I'm focusing some exciting instead of Umdalso. So I don't know.
Yes. In previous matches last year, there's Lalisu Mbule in that position.
Exactly.
And it's not his natural position. Exactly. Anyway, you know, okay, we understood at the time because I believe Mfuking was injured. Even Apollos for that match,
he can play. He can play the position. 10. Yeah. So Umdala, it seems like ufuna kudlala lo 10 kodwa aphinda saba from other defend. I don't know.
Yeah.
About the type of thing.
Nanokuthi okunye, we don't see him believing in our treasure. I will call him our treasure.
Yeah, currently.
He shows ukuthi he is a player that we can trust.
Yeah.
Singabeka kahle kahle amahlombe esibeke ongakwazi ukuthwala i-team emahlombe akhe. He's showing that.
Now,
why.
Let's just hope we will be surprised he will get to play in that position.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, because we're preparing for World Cup. We're playing in Panama. I mean, maybe this is the right time to risk it. Because I remember, of course, what's going on? Mfuking didn't play 2 games. I think was so now I'm under pressure. We need to qualify to go to the next round. All those things.
Show some trust.
Yes.
Show some trust.
Yes. So
he's
right
no
now,
young. Yes, he's young, but in terms of games.
And currently, if you look at it, look at how Mfuking is performing under Pirates. He's in his form. He's playing the best football of his life. So why not still give him the same position and say, boy, continue where you left off from Orlando Pirates? Yes. You know, those type of things. There's literally coaching he needs to do.
Exactly.
You know,
he just needs freedom.
Yes. Because certain players are on form. Orlando Pirates are on form. They are dominating the Bafana Bafana. There's little coaching that you need. You just need to know how to assemble the right squad for the game.
And let us win this game.
Yeah.
Yeah. So see Vala. I know you once cried about preparing for the World Cup.
Yeah.
Brazil, Argentina's, even the big ones in Europe.
Yeah.
Usanda kuqhamuka imbiko ukuthi basifuna imali
Brazil
bahlala la.
184 million to come play in South Africa. I
Yeah.
don't know, man. I don't know.
Mm.
Yes, it sounds like a very huge amount, you know. But I don't know what Amanyama teams on Demand how much, you know. Because when we're preparing for AFCON, which African teams were playing with Argentina and Brazil?
It was Senegal. I think Argentina, Argentina wanted to play Senegal in a short notice, even
Yes.
Kule international window.
Yes.
International week.
Yes.
But they had to be shoved off because it's not proper planning.
Yeah.
They had already made plans.
Yeah, but I'm saying our African teams, they did play these so-called big. So is the amount different, or it's based on South Africa being one of the richest countries in Africa? What's the story?
I don't know.
But
I think maybe Ogunye that counts. I'm not sure what Baletala, but it counts that the team is ranked.
Yeah.
Position.
Yeah.
Okay. That also counts.
I get that, but you remember once played them. What were we playing?
We played France. France.
So yes. So Singahamba Pelati.
Yeah, it's true, Singahamba, but with the dynamics that we don't understand.
Okay, I agree.
But I mean, engiyithatha as a factor enkulileyo ukuthi they can't risk having their best players bezolinyazwa abadlali you know.
Yeah,
I don't know if it makes sense.
No, yeah, I hear that, yes. But I'm thinking about the money part of it, like the 84 million, 82 or 84.
It doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense. It's ridiculous, you know. It's So now I understand why Bafana you will find them playing in Lesotho, Botswana,
Zambia. We need to use standard.
But at least let's try to play
Africa.
Yes, your Nigeria, you know, your Senegal, you know, Cameroon. Let's try to play those ones at least.
And also they try to associate with the ones that value you for that match.
Yeah.
Maybe even you can even go to Asia. Somewhere you find Japan. I'm making an example.
Yes.
You can make a game in Japan.
Yes.
You don't really need to. Yes, your South Korea. Just build these partnerships with our team. But they are strong.
Yes.
They are far better than us.
Because since I understand that you understand to play your Brazil, Argentina, they demand more. So that's okay. But now let's find another alternative, you know. Because look at now, we're playing Panama 2 times, and like you really can't tell how you are prepared for the World Cup, playing the same opponent twice in a space of less than 3 days or something.
Yeah, but we still have, I think we do have another one in April.
Yeah.
So
we're hoping we'll get a better opponent type of thing.
Exactly.
But again, Moses Mabhida will be coming Friday to watch Bafana.
I'll see you there. Perfect. See you on another one.